Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I'm back with another video. My desk is in a different spot in this room again. I think I like it here. If you haven't seen my desk organization video, I will link that for you guys. First, I recommend watching this video. It's very exciting because I'm going to be sharing with you what I recently got from the Rare Beauty launch. Rare Beauty is Selena Gomez's new makeup line. I've been really excited for this. Normally, I don't buy makeup right whenever it launches. Like, I like makeup, but I'll try to make this sit still. I like makeup, but I usually have to think about it for a while, which I mean, I have been thinking about this for a while, but normally I'm not so excited that I have to get it the night it launches. I'm in the Central Time Zone, so it launched at 11 p.m. for me, but the official launch was September 3rd, so midnight on September 3rd, but it was still 11. But I ordered soon after 11 p.m. That's how excited I was. So I placed an order on Sephora. I got a few things for myself, and I also ordered some things for my best friend as well. So after this, they will go to her because they're hers. But I am going to show you, so I do have some more products to show you for that reason too. As you can see, I already have my makeup completely done, but I had a lip liner and lip gloss on earlier, but it's mostly gone now. I got a lip product, so that's why I'm saying that. So I am going to be showing you that. First thing I'm going to show you is this makeup brush. So here it is in the concealer. This is $16. Well, let me try to get my words. Anyway, this is $16. This is the Liquid Touch brush specifically for concealer. I have been using this to apply my liquid concealer for a pretty long time now, and it does work, but whenever I saw this on the site, I was really excited for that because it looked like it might work better than this. It looked like it would be denser. But I know I do have a lot of makeup brushes, I'm aware, but I could justify this one. Okay, so this is how it comes. Also, this is a very light blush pink, which I love because I think whenever I eventually do put this office together, I think my accent color is going to be blush pink. But anyway, it just says Rare Beauty on the side. This is the Liquid Touch brush. So I'm just going to take off that protective covering, and it's angled kind of like this. Yes, it's very soft. I was pretty sure that it would be soft. So I do already have my concealer on, and my concealer is set. So normally I would just do concealer and then I would set it with powder, but I didn't feel like taking off my under eye makeup. So we're just going to kind of see how this applies, and just keep in mind that I wouldn't normally do this. I'm just going to do a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 16N. And yes, this is very dense, so I think it's going to give a good application. And it does. Because I know that obviously this is 2 layers and this is just freshly done, but can you tell the difference between the eyes? I think so. I think you can. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye so it matches. Yeah, I'm very excited that I got this brush. I was pretty certain that I was gonna like it, and I am not disappointed. Apply a little bit more concealer on my nose. Wow, I love this brush. Also, normally probably wash this first. I just wanted to go ahead and show you the brush. Let me set my under eye powder once again, and then we'll go on with the unboxing. This is the Banana Light baking powder from, I think it's Makeup Revolution, that I'm using. And then this is an Alamar brush. I kind of covered up my highlight. Give me a second. Becca highlighter in Vanilla Quartz. Sigma brush in the F35. Okay, and I will probably set my face again at the end. The next thing is for Andrea. Well, let me go ahead and do my items. Like that sounded, whatever. So I got a dewy lip balm. This is With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. I got the shade Thankful. I love the name of this as well. Anyway, I believe that this retailed for $16 as well. Let me show you the packaging. It's once again with that really light blush pink. It says Rare Beauty on the outside. And then this is what the color looks like. And it's very creamy and very, very beautiful. So I'm going to line my lips. Remember whenever I said that I wanted to organize my lip drawer better? Like this is kind of why, because I cannot find the lip liner that I'm looking for. So, oh good, okay, finally. I'm going to use the Urban Decay lip pencil in the shade Ozone. This is just a clear lip pencil. And this is what the swatch looks like on my hand. Okay, this is so creamy. This is what I was on the fence for probably the most, just because I really do want to watch my money, but I also really want to support Selena Gomez because I love Selena. This is a good neutral shade and it's so creamy, so like I'm not mad at my purchase. Oh, is it a magnetic closure? It's kind of like a soft magnetic. I feel like this is magnetic, but anyway, it's a soft closure like that as well. And I know that the color is very neutral, but I think it's really, really pretty as well. Let me wipe off that swatch before I make a mess. Okay, and then one of the things that Andrea got that I ordered for her was she got the foundation. She got it in 250W. This is why do I show the French side? Okay, this is the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation in the shade 250W. This is what the packaging looks like. And then, let me open this up. Sorry that I kind of ripped the packaging. Hopefully she doesn't mind. Ooh, and I did get permission to show the products, but I'm not. First of all, I already have my makeup on. Second of all, this is definitely not my shade, but I can show you what the packaging looks like. It's like this frosted glass, really pretty. You get 1 ounce, and then it has that blush pink, really light blush pink on the top. I'll show you with the applicator. Oh, it's like a doe foot applicator. So I just want to wash my hands because I do want to like swatch this so I can at least see what the consistency is like. It seems really liquidy. Also, this retails for $29. Okay, so I just did a really little bit right here on my hand. It's a thin consistency, but it's not like so much that it's going to be like falling off your face whenever you put it on there, and it feels really, really nice. But once again, in case you need a confirmation that this is not my color, not my shade, it's not, but it looks like it's going to blend really, really, really nicely. So I hope that she likes this, and I hope it's a good shade match for her. Wow, beautiful. So first of all, like I wanted to watch my money, as I mentioned earlier, but also I do have foundations, and I'm not wearing foundation as much since you're having to wear masks more and stuff like that. So I'm mostly like, whenever I do makeup, and I know I'm gonna have to wear a mask that day, I usually just focus more on the eye makeup because that's kind of what shows. I do have foundation on today, but I have been using the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I mix the shade 20NN and 30NN whenever I apply foundation. So maybe later on, I could see myself getting the Rare Beauty foundation because I am curious and trying that out. Then the other thing that she got, this is the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream. She got the shade Strengthen. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is a beautiful color. Very, very pretty, and it has kind of like that frosted or like this soft touch on the base. This is $20. And then let me show you the color. Kind of like a cranberry color. It's very pretty. I know that I said that earlier, but it is. Let me put that back in the packaging for her. So yeah, like I was saying, that retails for $20. I'll kind of like let that dry down. I know that it's not on my lips, so I can't know how it's gonna be, but I didn't want to put that on my lips since that is her product, since that is her makeup, you know? And then I got the Blot and Glow blotting sheets. This was $5. I have oily skin, so I could also justify this purchase because the blotting sheets, oh sad. I have them in here. I can't remember what the brand is, but I do have different blotting sheets, but I don't have a backup, so I'm not sure how many I have left in there. But you know, obviously if Selena comes out with the blotting sheets and they're only $5, you know, I would want to try that out. So it comes in this little, okay. And then I did apply my makeup earlier today, so, and also I want to show you, so I feel like I can justify, you know. And I'll just close that back up. So my face shouldn't be super oily. It's not like I applied it super like a really long time ago, but I'm just going to press that in, and oil does still come off. Sorry if that's gross to you, but seems like it, you know, it's a good product, as in it does absorb oil, and my makeup still looks pretty good, I think. I don't know if you were really excited for this launch, but I was, because like I said, I love Selena Gomez. If you got anything from Rare Beauty, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know that. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please click, you know, just a reminder to click right here for another video. If you liked this video as well, please feel free to stick around and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.